Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. I'm still trying to process this. This is unbelievable. I still can't believe that Dee Mwango, a popular YouTuber, strike two very small YouTube channels, the Isaacs family and its Whitney. Dee Mwango, why? What is your gain in all of that? What is your reason for striking these two channels? And according to It's Whitney and the Isaac family, the videos that they did, that they reposted, was it just a reaction video? They were just talking about how that they were happy that you bought a car for your mom. That's it. Basically. So why did you strike them? What's the reason for it? And then again, Dee, you claim to love Jamaica so much and its people. And when you come to Jamaica, Jamaica is like your yard, your home. You don't even want to leave here. You enjoy your country so much in its entirety. Dee, when you come to Jamaica, I don't know what you don't do in terms of enjoying Jamaica and all that it has to offer. Dee Mwango, with this kind of behavior that you have portrayed to a country you call a second home, I can tell you that the people of Jamaica are displeased with your behavior and possibly you are not welcome back to Jamaica. Yeah, man. And I can tell you, once you've done something like this to Jamaicans, trust me, if you know about Jamaica and our culture, everybody are going to run out for you. We are going to come for you. So you shouldn't have done something like this if you never want Jamaicans come for you. In addition to all of this, I am learning that these two YouTubers were subscribers of Dee Mwango. I am also learning that they were not only subscribers, but they were moderators and they supported Team Dee all the way. No. And it's highly likely that they are going to pull persons away from your channel. You know, Dee, there are always ways in which we can solve things amicably. You could have reached out to these YouTubers because they're people you're familiar with. They're not strangers. So you could have reached out to them, let them know of your concerns and that you are not pleased with them using your video. But because the small YouTubers have such a rapport with you, they felt comfortable to use your video only for you to strike them for 90 days. 90 days strike. Oh boy, that don't sound good at all. And, you know, I'm wondering, Dee, did you think twice about doing this? For a moment, did you consider, even for a moment, that these two persons who use your videos are your supporters? They support you to the core. They've even said that even when persons are bashing Dee and saying all manner of evil against Dee Mwango, these two YouTubers have stood up for you. Dee, there is something you can do to retract all of this. You can go ahead and retract a copyright removal request. You can clear the copyright strike from these young YouTubers and give them a chance. Remember, we all need a chance in life. Don't you ever forget that.